Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download and install the Fork app. So let's get started. So to download and install the Fork app on your device, you have to follow this easy step. So if you are an Android user, then you should use your Google Play Store or your Google search bar. If you are an Apple user or iOS user, you should must use your Apple Store. So at here you have to go to the search bar at the top left section and search for the Fork app. Okay, the Fork, here you can just search it. So from here you can just click on install and it will automatically download and install the app and you can use it. So if you scroll down, you can see the reviews and you can also place your review as well. And if you have any question related to this, you can let me know in my comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.